What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today, we're checking in on the latest AI avatar capabilities, including lip sync, dubbing, and a few of the leading-edge models within the space.
That's right, back with another AI video. And just like my lovely avatar mentioned, we're going to be diving into the latest when it comes to AI avatars. Here's what I want to know. Just how realistic are AI avatars at the moment? Can we easily change the dialogue without reshooting? And can we dub that same video into another language? Let's find out. Artlist recently released a bunch of new AI avatars and language models, including heavy hitters from HeyGen, 11 Labs, and OmniHuman. Now, everything can be found within the AI Toolkit. All you got to do is make sure video is selected at the bottom, just like this. And then under the model, you're going to go ahead and click on show all right here. And then all the different models are going to be found right within here. All right, if you're following along, the link is going to be in the description and pinned comment below as always. Okay, I'm just over here on a recent session. So on the left-hand side, I'm under my avatar session right here. Now I've gone ahead and made a few generations, but we're going to take things from the top. Let's start with a clean image of our desired avatar. Whether you're creating someone from scratch, maybe using yourself, whatever the case may be, it's always good practice to start with a clean profile image, just like this one. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and upload that reference image reference, upload image. Okay, all I want to do right now is create a 16:9 version of this image, but I want to have her in more of a natural setting. So here's what I'm going to do. Make sure we have image selected right here. I'm going to go with Nano Banana Pro. Let's have a quick look at show all. Now, as you can see, there's a ton to go through here, so feel free to pick the one that suits you best. But like I said, I'm going to go with this first one, use model, and then I'm going to pop in my prompt. Going with a clean photorealistic avatar inspired by the provided image of this woman right here. I want a natural and fresh look, and I want to showcase her with a confident but subtle smile, wearing the same thing and then sitting outside in a natural setting. Let's go with two images right here. We'll go with 2K quality. That should be fine. 16:9, very important. Okay, let's go ahead and click on generate. Okay, let's have a look at this first one. Okay, this is perfect. We've got a super clean image, looking very photorealistic. Looks like she's sitting in a park bench by the park. She's wearing the same thing as before and looks pretty much spot on from our initial image. Okay, here's the second version. I did make two generations. Now I think this one is just as good, but I'm going to go with this first one. I just prefer the image a little bit better. Okay, with this preferred image selected, I'm going to come over to use right here, and I'm going to click on create avatar just like this. So that's automatically going to upload our image, the one we selected, as an image reference. We also have HeyGen Avatar 4 selected as well. So let's just quickly open that up. It's going to be one of the highest quality models for avatars at this time. Let's go ahead and select this, use model. Okay, now let's select an audio file. I'm going to come over to my creations right here. I've got a bunch of speech generations ready to go that I created earlier. So let's go ahead and select this first one. This one should sound pretty familiar.
What's up, everyone? Today, I'm showing you a faster way to create professional video content at scale.
There's one more setting with HeyGen Avatar 4 that I want to have a look at, and it is the talking style. We can choose between stable or expressive. With the expressive talking style, the avatar is going to be a bit more animated in terms of the body language, especially with the hands and the face, or we can go with a more stable talking style, which should be self-explanatory. Okay, I'm going to go with expressive. I got 720p, 16:9. Let's go ahead and click on generate.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today, we're checking in on the latest AI avatar capabilities, including lip sync, dubbing, and a few of the leading-edge models within the space.
All right, there we go. Just a strong generation overall. Our avatar is very lifelike, and you probably noticed that expressive touch as well, particularly with the hands in certain spots. That was quite animated, so very good to see. Okay, back over to the image model, and with that image we generated from earlier, I'm going to use that as an image reference, and I'm going to take our avatar and put her in a completely different location. So here we go. Here's my prompt. I want to place the same girl from the image on top of a snowy mountain, maintain the same camera angle as the original photo, and I want to dress her in a warm parka with the hood up. So I pretty much just want everything to be the same, except the background's going to feature a majestic snowy peak under a blue sky. Going to go with the same settings as before. Let's punch this through. Okay, here we go. We've got a perfect shot. Pretty much we've got our exact same girl on top of a snowy mountain with her parka on and her hood up, just like we asked for. Just like before, I'm going to click on use at the bottom of our image and click create avatar, video selected, HeyGen Avatar 4, 16:9, 720p. Let's pick some audio. I'm going to come over to my creations, and I think I have the perfect voice generation right here. Let's select this. Let's go ahead and click on generate.
That's the beauty of being an AI avatar. I can teleport anytime, anywhere. 1 second I'm sitting on a park bench, the next I'm in my studio. And now I'm halfway across the world, standing on a snowy mountain peak.
That one is just as good as the last time. Yeah, let's do this one more time with our favorite reference image because I want to take her and put her in an office studio. So once again, this is selected. And then here is my prompt. She's going to be sitting comfortably in a trendy home office, front-facing shot. The office is going to be cozy and vibey, well lit, studio lighting. The list goes on. Let's go ahead and generate. Okay, we've got the first one. This one's looking great. And then here's the second one. I think I prefer this one a little bit more. The environment looks quite cozy. We've got some natural lighting coming in. Just a really good look. So let's come down to use, create avatar. Let's grab a new audio file. I'm gonna select this one right here. Let's submit.
Hey, it's me again. This time I'm in my home office. How do I sound and look now? Hopefully just as good as the last?
I really like at the beginning how she kind of waves her hand as she's saying, hey, thought that was a nice little touch. In any case, I'm just as happy with this one as the last two. Just think of the use case possibilities, product explainers, branded UGC, tutorials, campaign messaging, the list goes on. Okay, let's move over to voice dubbing. And let's say I want to dub this video exactly. This time with video selected, let's open up this drop down, show all, and I'm going to come over to 11 Labs dubbing right here. This model translates videos into 32 plus languages while preserving the speaker's unique voice and delivery style. So let's go ahead and click Use Model. Now in the prompt box, we have an option to upload a video reference. So let's do that. Come over to My Creations. Here's that most recent video. Let's hit Select. And then for language, we're going to go with Spanish. This one should be quite fitting for our character. And that's pretty much all we have to do in terms of settings. So let's just click on Generate now.
Hola, soy yo de nuevo. Esta vez estoy en mi oficina en casa. ¿Cómo me escucho y me veo ahora? Espero que igual de bien que la última vez.
All right, that sounds pretty good to me. Now, I have to admit, I only know a little bit of Spanish, so if you do know Spanish, I want to hear from you in the comments. How did that generation sound? But just keep in mind, this is only the dubbing stage that we've done. The voice is going to change, but of course, we haven't applied any lip sync capabilities yet. Let's move on to the last step, and let's give lip syncing a try. I'm going to come over to Lip Sync V2 Pro right here. So let's go ahead and select that. Let's come over to Use Model. So I'm going to come over to a previous video generation from earlier. Let's click on My Creations. Okay, let's go with the video with the snowy mountain peak, and then let's go with the audio file from the beginning of the video. My Creations, let's select this one. Okay, I've got the video reference of our AI avatar on the snowy mountain peak, and then I have my voice generation from earlier. This is a 13-second voice clip, while this video generation is 14 seconds. So just make sure that your audio clip is around the same length as the video clip. Okay, Lip Sync V2 Pro is selected. Let's go ahead and click on Generate.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today, we're checking in on the latest AI avatar capabilities, including lip sync, dubbing, and a few of the leading-edge models within the space.
Now, if you want to try this out for yourself today, I'll have the link in the description and pinned comment below as always. And just a reminder that the Artlist AI Toolkit is a fantastic all-in-one spot for all things AI avatar, dubbing, and lip sync. Also, being able to go from character image to AI avatar in one place honestly just made this workflow today so much smoother. So with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.